Jamaica is open for business and investment. This was the message delivered by Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, over the weekend, as she joined with Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett and other officials in participating in various activities at Expo 2020 in Dubai. During a media interview at the World Expo, Senator Johnson-Smith emphasized Jamaica's interest in exploring economic opportunities with the United Arab Emirates, including looking at the feasibility of expanding airlift.
So we have had a positive discussion with the Emirates Group about increasing connectivity between the two regions, and we look forward to pursuing those more intensively in the future. But we're also looking at logistics, we're looking at light manufacturing, we're looking at special economic zone participation, and these are all areas which we think can benefit both countries.
For the benefit of potential investors, Senator Johnson-Smith also outlined some benefits of doing business with Jamaica.
Did you know that we have the 7th largest natural harbor in the world? Did you know we have 400 flights a week from 40 airlines? We're connected to 220 gateways in the USA alone. We are the aviation hub between North and South America and have shipping connectivity to all international lines. Logistically, we are the place to be. We're building out warehouse capacity. We have free trade arrangements with the US and with the South American countries such as Colombia and Central and Costa Rica. There's so much business to be done. So you can come and look beyond the beach and do business in Jamaica. That's the message we're bringing at Expo.
2 years into the global pandemic, the Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister says Jamaica was pleased to be selected to host the 8th Annual International Conference and Exhibition, the AICE, from June 13 to June 17 in Montego Bay.
That conference is going to bring together policymakers, private sector, free zone organizations, free zone operators, and it's going to look at how we as a world leverage free zones and special economic zones for recovery. The world is in recovery mode, and as we have had many business-to-business exchanges while here in Dubai, we're all of the mindset that there's not a moment to lose. We've lost 2 years of economic activity, so we have to find those opportunities now. And that conference in June is going to be one of the places at which the world comes together to determine how we bounce back.